Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, I'm back to talk about IPS, okay, Infinity Processing System. We're going to do a quick review. And then we're going to talk about one of the trainings that's in this program. All right, so let's go take a look. All right, so if you've been looking for a way to promote online using social media, this is the perfect program. Learn our $300 a day blueprint. They show you how to use social media, guys. Social media is free. Okay, and how you can post the pre-written ads that they provide, okay, to you in your membership area, when to post, how to post the ads, and where to post, okay? So let's go look at the website. Let's cover the 3 products, okay? You get this wonderful website. This website is $25 one-time investment. It's going to be customized to you. Has your picture, your link to social media, your name on it. It actually explains the program. 3 steps: get started, pick a level, post your ads, and start earning your commissions. Okay. Let's go over the 3 products. Only 3 products. We keep it really simple. This is a newbie-friendly program. And I say newbie-friendly because what you're going to be doing is copying and pasting. If you have a smartphone, you can do this business, or any smart device for that matter, with a Wi-Fi connection. And if you know how to copy and paste and be consistent, and if you can follow simple instructions, this could work for you as well. Of course, there's no income guarantees because I don't know your worth ethics, okay? I don't know what you're going to do with the training once you get it, okay? So I cannot guarantee you any income. However, I know the possibility is here for you to be able to earn $50, $150, and $300 commissions. Unlimited. The sky's the limit, okay? If you follow the training. This is training. That's what you're getting, okay? Digital product. All right, let's go over the 3 products. They have the starter level. It's $50. This is one-time investment, by the way. There's no monthly fees with this program. So your starter level is $50, and as I mentioned earlier, it's $25 for your website. So it will cost you $75 to get the influencer brand marketing training. It covers everything you see here, okay? You can go check it out. The link is in the description. www.thecopypastemethod.com to get all the details. Watch the video and you will get this page as well. Okay, next level is the elite level, Internet Automation Secrets, $150, okay, plus your $25 for your website. All right, $175. And as you can see, the training list gets a little bit longer, right, because you're getting more training. You're also getting more ads. If you look here, you get 30 ads with the starter level. With the elite, you get 100 ads and 40 images. Over here, you get the 30 ads and the 20 images, so more training, okay? Then the pro level, that's the level I have, the 6-figure blueprint, is $300 plus your $25 for the website, so you're looking at $325. You're all in if you get that level. And it will include the elite and the starter, okay? You get the lower levels if you come in as a pro. And as you can see, that list is longer. You see that? And with this one, the 200 ads, you get 60 image ads, and they've just recently added more. I counted 22. So now we're looking at, what, 82 images now? Okay, they added some more for this year. So another thing I want to point out is the live training. Okay, so you will get that with the pro level that you don't get with the other 2 products. Okay, and this is where you can go in the live coaching Facebook group and you can see where there's live training. Okay, and you can actually jump in on that. You can ask your questions, jump in the chat, and get your questions answered right there on the live. If not, it will be recorded. Okay, so you get so much more. Not to mention, you're able to make $300 commissions. You qualify across the board to make all the commissions on all levels. There's no pass-ups with this program. There's no one-ups. There's no pass-ups, any of that. It's just straight direct sales. Every time you sell one of the products, the commissions come straight to you. Okay? And you get paid any way you want. That's the other great thing. It's instant pay, but however you want to get paid. You can list up to 3 payment processors, okay? And as I stated, you get this website that explains everything, guys. You're not going to have to explain the program. Don't worry about that. Once people opt into your page, they're going to go to this video, press play. It will explain everything. It says it right here, press play. Okay, and then they can come down and watch this other video that will help them better select which level they should join. Okay, and here are the levels as I explained earlier. Okay, and it gives you an illustration. Again, this is not a guarantee of income, just showing you what's possible at each level depending on which product you select. Okay, so for folks that say, hey, I want to make 6 figures, or hey, I want to make $3,000 a month. If I can make $3,000 a month, I'm good. Well, if you come in at the pro, you only gonna need 10 sales, less sales. That's the difference in the lower ticket versus the higher. You just need less sales. Okay, it's the same amount of work, but you don't need as many sales, okay, to reach your goals. Awesome program, love it. Simply copying and pasting, very simple. Using a smartphone, you don't even have to have a computer to do this business. Now, this business is so simple. As I said, you're going to copy and paste pre-written ads and or images that's going to be given to you in your members area. Now, I want to go over to the members area. I want to show you one of the trainings in there, and then I'm going to show you one of the platforms, okay, where I just simply took one of the images and posted it. You didn't have to do a video, any of that. So for the people that says, hey, I don't really want to do the videos, you can use Instagram, guys, or you can do Craigslist. You can just post, okay, the images. So let me show you. Let's go over to the members area. Okay, as you can see, I am in the members area, okay, and I want to show you Instagram, how simple it is just to take one of the images and go over there and post it. So I'm in the members area. As you can see, it says 200 pre-written ads, so you know I'm a pro member. So you're going to go down here. You want to follow this training. What I do is I implement. I find something that I'm interested in. I follow the training, take notes, and then I go apply what I learned over here. Okay? And that's how you do this. You learn with the training, and then you apply it. That's what makes it work, and you be consistent. Okay, with those tasks that you're doing. Okay, income producing activities, that's what you need to have. Okay, so you come here, see right here it says Instagram marketing, so you can go here. This is just another way. I'm just showing you another way. So you go here, they have Instagram training. Okay, and just go through this training, take your time. Okay, and you don't have to just do all this before you take action. That's the thing, guys. Sometimes you guys procrastinate. You want to, well, I got to learn everything and I got to read all this stuff before you take action. No, you don't have to do that. Just go here, create an account, post your ad. Okay, and then you can go back every day. You can kind of go through a training because these are short, actually. Look, 2 minutes for that training, 2 minutes for that. I mean, this, you could breeze through that. 2 minutes for that one, 2 minutes for that. This is very short. So you can knock that out and then go post your pictures on Instagram. So here's the training. Now let me just show you my Instagram and how I took one of the images. This is one of the new images that they put in the members area for the pro level. By the way, the pro level has the most images and ads, guys. So if you can, you want to go pro. $325 one time, no monthly fees. Okay, so let me show you my account. Okay, here is my Instagram. Okay, and I'm working on building it up. And as you can see, I've made posts. Now, some of these are my own images I created, but right here is one of the newer images that I posted. I believe it was today. See here? I just took that picture and I put my, I have a press 1 number right there, and I put a little note here, and I put the website, the copypastemethod.com, and some hashtags, and there's been some likes already. But don't worry about it. Don't get caught up on likes and all that stuff. Just do the work. Okay? But this is an image that was in the members area. Okay? It was in the members area. Okay? It's just that simple. Copy and paste. That's all you're going to be doing with this program. Just pick a platform. We have several. Which platform that you feel more comfortable with? Facebook. Okay, if you do Facebook, it's not your page. I know a lot of people are worried about their own personal page. No, they're going to give you groups. For example, the pro level, they're going to give you 100 groups that you can go post in. Okay, if it's Craigslist you're interested in, is it YouTube you're interested in? Is it Instagram? Is it TikTok? Okay, pick one of those platforms and follow that training for that platform. And be consistent, make it a daily routine. Now let me tell you, I have been having fun with this TikTok marketing, okay? I just got really started with it, getting the hang of it, and that's the whole thing, guys. This is new. Like TikTok marketing is new for me, and this marketing, affiliate marketing, is new to you guys, right? So, but you gotta jump out there, okay? Get out of your comfort zone. I mean, you can't, you don't worry about it being perfect. Just do the work. As you grow, okay, you're going to get better and better, because I'm learning something every day. I post and then I find out, oh, I can do this. So it's always something new, and you're going to grow with it, okay? So don't worry about it. You just got to take action. That's the thing, taking the action. So guys, if you're ready to get started earning these commissions, posting pre-written ads using social media, go check out my link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. For everybody that joins the pro level, I will send your first solo ad, okay, to get your traffic flow going. Now, in order to get that traffic, you're going to need a capture page. Let me show you one you can get for $19.95. Okay? Really easy breezy. Okay? Let me show you this page. You get this page for $19.95. It already has IPS, Infinity Processing System, set up in here. Okay? And Autoresponder is already set up for this program. So you don't have to do anything but just put your link for IPS in here. Give me this link for this page and I will run your first traffic campaign. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's get this thing started. Stop procrastinating. It's 2022. You've been on the fence all last year. It's time to take some action. Let's get into it. Now, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell. Okay, so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, guys. See you on the next video. Be safe out there. Let's go.